Welcome to Kenya, the country with the most beautiful flora and fauna in the world. In Nairobi, it's lovely sunshine, blue sky, beautiful trees, lovely weather. A lovely day to do photography. Welcome. Today we're going to talk about photography in general. With my 50 years of experience in this field, I have seen so many many changes in terms of equipment, in terms of technique. People call me old school. Yes, I am old school because I started with analog cameras. At that time, there were film cameras, 120, 620, and then 35mm cameras. Films came in, and 35mm cameras. 35mm cameras was big time. They started with point-and-shoot cameras. Then they came out with single-lens reflex cameras with interchangeable lenses. They stayed in the market for a very, very long time. And even today, lots of people are, in spite of all the digital photography, lots of people are still using 35mm analog cameras as a big backup. Analog had a charm of its own. Everything was manual. You had to take the pictures, send the films for processing. Sometimes you had to go in the dark room to do the touching up. But now, with digital, I don't think the charm is there anymore, but it's modern world. It's everything fast, speed. Everything has got to be done like yesterday. Yes, then of course, digital is the answer. So digital started with point-and-shoot cameras, and then they came with entry-level single-lens reflex cameras, then professional cameras. And now, over the last couple of years, it's the latest mirrorless cameras. So is mirrorless cameras the thing for 2023? So let's go inside and I'll show you some of the mirrorless cameras. Welcome. Well, we are in 2023. Today we are going to focus on beginners as to what cameras they should buy. It's very tricky, very difficult, because there's so many models, so many cameras available on the market with so many features that it's tough. And technology keeps on changing from day to day. But there are certain general factors that you can consider. One is the ease of use. Now, ease of use, people take it very lightly. But to me, that's very important, because you should be comfortable the way you're holding the camera. It should fit in your hand so nicely that you should feel comfortable to use it. Number two is the lens. You have to make sure, according to what photography you're going to do, that you want interchangeable lenses. So you should be able to get a camera which is interchangeable lenses. Image quality is another thing that you've got to look at. High resolution, and you need superb image, because sometimes you're doing very detailed work and you need high quality images. Price is another implication you've got to look at. Whatever suits your budget, whatever budget you have to go according to that.
1, 2, 3, action.
And the last factor that you've got to consider is the brand. Now, like I said earlier on, there's so many brands on the market, but my advice would be to stick to the popular brand. But you have to make sure that you choose a camera where you can get after-sales service. That to me is a very important factor to consider. Well, today I have my friend Alan. He is interested in buying an entry-level camera, but like so many other people, he's confused as to what to buy. His main interest is interior decoration. He is interior decorator by profession. Now, I'm going to take advantage to show him the new Canon M50 Mark II, which is an entry-level camera. And while it is good for the interior decorators, also it's very good for architects, people in real estate business, property developers, because it's a very lightweight camera, compact and very easy to take to different sites, and the image quality is superb. So Alan, let me show you, let me do the unboxing of the M50. So step by step I'll show you what it has and what features it has.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you.
So now we do the, okay. So Alan, here we go. This is the new Canon EOS M50 Mark II. So we're going to do the unboxing, and step by step I will show you what it has, and then we'll talk about the features. Well, it comes packed very nicely in this beautiful, my favorite colors, of course, maroon. It matches up with my t-shirt and my turban. Well done, Canon. So as you can see, it comes with a beautiful book of instructions, all the paperwork here, warranties. Yeah, by the way, it has got 2 years warranty, manufacturer's guarantee. And then I'm going to lay down everything on the table, Alan, for you to see. So we have this main cable, and let's see what we have here. Here we go. This looks as if this is the camera body, very nicely packed, bubble wrapping so it doesn't get damaged in transit. Compact, beautiful, my God. The moment I hold it, it fits into my hand so nicely. It's compact, it's almost featherweight. So ladies can put this camera in their handbag, men can put it in their pocket, so no excuse about you carrying your cell phones. No, camera is there to stay, and it's easy to use. Wow, I love it. Here we go. Here we go. This is now, I think this is the standard lens. Again, very nicely packed, bubble wrapping, very light. Yeah, I can tell, very light. Wow, beautiful lens. It's 15 to 45, which is very good range, Alan, for you, because for interior work you can be using 15, 18, 24. These are all your wide angle lenses, and then you have 45, which is almost your normal lens. So you can just about do any kind of photography with this particular lens. Later on, maybe you can think about buying bigger lenses, or even wider lenses, or even fisheye lens if you want. But this is really compact, really nice. This is the lens cap, beautiful color coated. This is your rear lens cap, and you have all the sensors, all the points here. This is your body cap. You turn it this way, and then you match up the white point against the white point. There we go, and turn it clockwise, and it clicks into position. See, now even with the lens, it's still very light, compact, and the grip is so lovely. It's there, lovely grip. I can hold it so steadily, beautiful. Anyway, we'll talk about the features later, but let's see what else we have in this box of goodies. Now here we have the strap, battery, and of course the charger. So Alan, you have everything here, and we can talk about each and every item. This is the original Canon battery. Now you can substitute this battery with other makes, but my advice is not. Always stick to the brand. in this case Canon. So this is your battery. This is a strap. Now, it's very interesting. Lots of people think that strap is just to hold the camera and put it around your neck. But no, and this can come very handy. Believe you me, if you forgot your tripod and you suddenly have to do a video, and as you are holding your camera like this, you can actually stretch it like that, and you can pan your camera like this, and it's very, very steady. So it acts like a tripod for you. Isn't that a great feature? But lots of people don't think about that. And then of course you have your charger, and of course the caps and everything. So the book of instructions, even if you're familiar with the cameras, still I would advise you that you should go through the book of instructions very carefully. So these are the items that comes with the camera. And then of course later on you can be buying other accessories according to your taste and requirement. Now Alan, let's look at your profession. You said that you are an interior decorator. Will this camera really work for you? I think it will. You have to have a very good megapixel, and this is 24.1 megapixel, and then you will be doing video photography. It's 4K, and I like the touch screen, and it is articulated screen with 360 degrees tilt, so you can move it up and down any position for various angles that you want to take in your work. And then of course it's got the Wi-Fi, it's got Bluetooth, so, and it's got a APS-C sensor. I think this has got everything that you want, and like you said that you wanted to spend about 95,000 Kenya shillings, this fits in your budget. So voila, here we go. This is your camera for you, Alan. Go ahead. We've come to the end of our unboxing. This camera, together with other Canon models like the EOS M50 Mark II, which you've seen today, and then M6 and R5, R6. These all cameras are available together with other Nikon models like the Z50, Z30, and then the professional models Z5, Z6, Z7 are all available at Elite Studios, both in Nairobi and Nakuru. In Nairobi, we are situated on Kenyatta Avenue, Uganda House, ground floor. And in Nakuru, we are on Kenyatta Avenue. You want to buy a camera, or you want to look around, you want to seek our advice, you are most welcome. We'll be looking forward to seeing you. Thank you, and Koheri for now. Till next time.